Kamusta po? Lovely day, everyone. If you love bags like me, please join me on my bag love journey. And together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today I would like to share with you how I styled my mini Luxe Bayong from Hiraya At Sinag. So this, I would like to focus first on the smallest one. This is the smallest Bayong bag that I got from them, and I would like to share with you the details. And let's measure first. So the width is 10 inches by the height is 6 inches and the handle drop is 4 inches. As you can see, I really love the pattern and the design of this Bayong bag, and it came with a hard, it is made from the hard material. And first, what I did was I placed a twilly. So I got this twilly from Shopee. I will just link it below in case you're interested. This is an inspired version of the Louis Vuitton scarf. Twilly, twilly. And it is not a fake one because it doesn't have the LV, only the flowers. So it is an inspired version. It's very cute, and I think it would look perfect on my mini bayong. So what I did was I placed on the front area, and now I'll show you how I did that. So let's put that on the back part, back handle. So first, what I did was so I made a loop, and then just wrap this area so that since this is a hard material, I wanted to cover this portion and make it look more luxe. So there. And then final loop. So there. Just to show you how I did it. So that's what I did on the back and the front as well. So very nice, and it looks very nice on my mini bayong. For the accessory, I placed this one. This is my key safety tool. This is a very elegant design, and I think it looks nice there as an accessory. I wish I have a black pom-pom. I think it would go nice in this area as well, but I don't have yet. I think I'll try to look at Shopee. And then I want to show you that I also have this, like a alcohol dispenser. I can also put it right here. But since they placed hooks on the sides, I can also put it right there. Now, I would like to share with you that I can put a shorter chain. I got this again from Shopee, and this is very nice. You look at the details of this one. It looks very shiny, and it has some weight to it. It looks nice if I use this as an accessory or as a handle, like a shoulder handle. See? So that's another option. Then I also have another handle. This sling came from my Alt Manila Casablanca bag, and I don't have like a Chanel style leather. I wasn't able to buy from Shopee because I found a new design. I bought a ribbon. This is a ribbon. You see, I bought from Shopee this ribbon, and then I put it inside and make this into a Chanel style sling. And the reason why I use ribbon is that the feeling of the sling feels very smooth because of the thin ribbon. So I bought again from Shopee a ribbon, and this is a very cheap price, I think 5 pesos sling. So now I can use it as my sling in this bag, and I put it on the hook, and also would look very nice. Another option, I got this sling from my Coach, Serena bag, and since it is gold on the hardware, I think it also look nice if I use this in case I want to use a thicker strap. This would also go well with this small bayong from Hiraya At Sinag. So nice. So those are the things that I did with my bag to make it more luxe looking. So now I'm gonna share with you what I have inside my mini bayong. So when I bought this, I didn't request for a inside lining. I really should have. But then I was able to find something from my old things. This is my bag organizer from way back. I don't remember when I bought this, what year. But this has been in my things for many years already, and it fits perfectly in this small mini bayong. And I'll show you what I have inside. So I have my perfume, and then I have in this area my key holder, my mini key holder, my Yuna, and then I have some gum, tissue, and my card case, Coach. And then I also have my pen. Then at this side, I have my Luxe Organics Ankluts. This is a charcoal. This is a charcoal oil absorbing blotting paper, and it does have many stock and a mirror. And then at this side is where I place my phone. At the middle, I have this mini catch-all from Coach. This is my favorite catch-all at the moment, and I think that this is a perfect alternative for the mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, because I really love this more because it is flat. Can fit in most of my small bags. I have here some of my small necessities. So there. And then I'll just show you quickly my mini organizer, mini bag organizer. So on the front, I have here a zipped area where I just slip my phone there. At the back, it has two slit areas. And in the middle, there's one zippered area, and the other side have one zippered compartment, mini compartment, one for small things or perfume, and one for the pen. So I think I also have one pen on the outside. This is a very nice bag organizer. The material is like a nylon material. So far, I wasn't able to find anything like this. Nowadays, this is, I would like to purchase again, but I bought this, I think, in 2000, early 2000. So this is a very old piece in my collection, and I was so happy. It fits perfectly in my Bayong bag. So there is my mini Bayong bag. I'm so happy that I was able to get this. So I would like to share with you that Hiraya At Sinag doesn't have small bags like this in this design. They have mini Bayong bags, but in the simple designs, plain and soft Bayong designs. And I requested for this exact size from them, and from this pattern, because they have big bags in this pattern, and I really want to have a small bag since I really love small bags, and I am a fan of sling bags because I'm a petite girl, and I'm really very happy that they were able to produce what I have in mind, and they have added an extra that will really be very helpful to me, the sling option. So they're very good in designing bags. In case you're interested in getting the same, just go to their website. In Instagram, I'll just link them below, and you can also have the same mini bayong mini bayong bag. And I'm very happy to be able to have this. They have created what I have requested from them. So very happy and very satisfied with their design. So next time I'll be sharing with you my two other bags, the differences of the hard and the soft bayong. So I just want to focus on the small bag, the smallest bag that I have, and how I styled it and use it. So I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.